So we have a couple of minutes for questions. If anyone has questions.
What about cross-platform development tools to share some work between Symbian platform, Windows Mobile platform, and Android? For example, there's a well-known framework Qt, now exporting to Symbian and currently working on Windows Mobile. Do you plan to take a part in porting Qt into Android platform?
Sure, that's a good question. The way that we've seen things develop, as far as cross-platform things go, we've seen that there's sort of, if you can develop an application which can work across many different platforms without having to worry too much about specifics, and that to us seems like a really good opportunity to use to create a mobile website rather than trying to create something natively. So our sort of approach is to say, if you can build it across every platform, then hopefully there's something you can do as a web app and use that platform to combine them all. As far as tools which will allow Android to compile into Android into other things, we support them, as in we're happy for everyone to find a way to be able to create their apps as easily as possible, but it's not something that we're actively working towards. We want people to look for the feature platform for platform features for each device if they're choosing to create something native.
I have a question here. We extensively use WebView component to render rich text and multimedia content, but we are frustrated with absence of custom font rendering in WebView and BD support, of course. Can we expect somewhere soon to the support of, say, downloadable fonts or web open font format from 2.0, 2.25? Can you give us some estimation?
Yeah, unfortunately, estimates is something I can't do. What I can say is that we are actively looking to get feedback like that from developers to try and prioritize what we should be doing and what we should be putting our efforts towards. So it's definitely something that we're aware of, and it's something that the team is working on. We want to improve the browser itself on Android and certainly the web view as well as part of that. Unfortunately, I can't give estimates as to when things are likely to come out, but it's definitely something that we're aware of and are working towards.
Yeah, and second point is media player is not good enough. It's hard to use, many invalid state exceptions. I think it needs some clarification, documentation, and maybe reward.
Absolutely. We've actually done a bunch of changes to the Open Core framework for Android 2.0, so you should see some reasonably significant enhancements to the way that the media player and media libraries work as of 2.0. So that's something to look forward to. As far as samples documentation, absolutely. And again, this is something we've just grown our team significantly, with the whole purpose being create more samples or ask more questions, be able to make it easier for you to use the things that we already have. So, okay, thanks.
Community question.
Okay.
When do we see Russian and Google Map?
Yeah, I'm surprised it didn't come up first. But perhaps the next session, because it's more on Android. But to answer your question, I can't answer your question. All I can say is that it's a priority for our market team to make the paid marketplace available in as many places as we possibly can. The reason it's not here yet is because we haven't gotten to it yet. We can say it that way. We want it to be available in every country, buyers and sellers. And so far, we haven't yet been able to get it in Moscow, but it's definitely on the roadmap. It's something that we're working towards, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it won't be too much longer. I had, yeah, it would have been much nicer for me had we already had that available now, but unfortunately we don't. This will have to be the last question to give people time to move if they need to move. Well, that makes it easy. Alright, thank you all very much for coming along. I'll be giving another Android talk in here in just a few minutes, but